Guys, today I want to show you the best launcher for the Galaxy Z Fold 6, and that's going to be my favorite Launcher 10. If you guys have not seen my channel, you might not know about this launcher, but this launcher has been a fan favorite throughout pretty much every single foldable phone that has come out. Now, sadly, the Z Fold 5 Launcher 10 did not work for it. It glitched out, it froze, it crashed, it would not work for it. Worked for the Z Fold 2, 3, 4, not the 5. Well, it does work for the Z Fold 6 without any issue. And if you think this looks like a, old Windows tile phone, like a Windows 8 phone, that's kind of what the aspect is. It's a square launcher. If you have used Square Launcher, it's very similar to that. So pretty much what this does is it lets you completely customize with a Windows S type look. So let's go ahead and go down to Preference Launchers. You can go to General. There's a lot of settings, by the way, to change around everything. So starting off right away, you can go to UI Type, which has a phone or a foldable split start screens. Obviously, you want a foldable, because if you have foldable, you want a foldable. On this screen, there isn't really much else I care about. Navigation bar, you can change transparency there. The status bar, you can also change transparency there as well. Going to icons, and actually, wait. Sorry for that quick cut, guys. So now going to icons, this is where you're able to go ahead and use the default icon packed, which I have selected. I think you can also upload your own icons. I believe you have icon size, which says fit, fill to stretch, fit, large, normal, small, crop. You can also use white icons, use app defined white icons, tint icons. I mean, like I said, the amount of customization is endless. Theme colors, you can change that as well. You also have start screens. This is actually where you're able to change how many screens you have. So every screen, for example, when I go like this is one screen, this is two screen. So I have it set to 2, but you can change that if you want more. There is a premium subscription version of this for live tiles and remove ads. I believe it's $5 for life. It's really not that bad. And in all honesty, it's an amazing launcher overall wise. You got all apps, which you can change the app list size. You can also change the app's screen's margins. You have animations as well, which is awesome. So here's why this is even cooler than what I'm saying right now. By the way, when you open it up, this is what it looks like. Now, I have this set up with them being this small because this is how I personally like it. But if you click on any application, you go to edit, you can actually change a lot of things for every single application. First off, you can change how big an application is. So if you want an application to be really large, you can. Or you can make it as small as I have it. Or again, you can make it, humongous size-wise if you really wanted to. That does go a little bit into the whole live tiles type of concept. When it comes to you can see my gallery right here and it's changing throughout different images. That's something when it comes to that you can really, customize. But let's go back to this application here. You can change the label color from white, black. Well, I see default is white. Icon primary or icon secondary color, custom colors. Going down, you can do icon shadows. You can do icon tints. Again, the amount of option is endless. And then these are all your live tiles options you get. So very, very cool. Other than that, you can also look at app info if you want, just look at the app. That's in every single Android, no matter what launcher you use. But other than that, though, I believe, let me double check here. You can also add widgets. Let me talk about widgets as well. So if you want to add widgets, as every launcher pretty much has, you can go ahead and add a widget, and it just drops it wherever you want to. You can move it around. And again, you can fill up this whole entire screen right here and have endless pages. So you can also have a page of just your widgets and just your reminders and notifications. It's a really, really amazing launcher. Again, I've been talking about this launcher for 4 years now. I'm not getting sponsored or paid by any of this, but it's just awesome to kind of just, show off and show how amazing it really is. And it's so simple, so easy to set up, so easy to create. And if you want to get rid of something, there we go. You just go ahead and go to unpin from start and it gets rid of it. And then you can go ahead and add your stuff back as you see fit. So just like that, we are back to this, and I can move the application over. You can move applications back and forth, left to right, center, it doesn't matter. But guys, tell me down below your thoughts and opinions. I'll leave a link down below if you want to check it out for yourself. It is called Launcher 10, and it does work on a new Galaxy Z Fold 6.